Hello everyone! In this video, we will prepare and then install your Delta L Plus mini sensor designed for monitoring the progression of cracks. The sensor is delivered in sleep mode. To activate it, start by removing the cover, then pull the tab to detach the magnet. A blue light signal confirms that the sensor has been successfully activated. Deep sleep mode is now deactivated and the sensor becomes detectable via Bluetooth. Carefully note the serial number located next to the sensor. You will need it to connect the sensor to the FEELBAT app. You can now link it to your account. Download the FEELBAT app available on Google Play and the App Store. To add your sensor, stay nearby and make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Once the sensor is detected, activate it from the app to start data recording, then set the desired measurement interval. Before on-site installation, it is recommended to connect and configure the sensor via Bluetooth, ideally 48 hours in advance to ensure it is working properly. Please note, without a Linkfeel token, data will only be synchronized via Bluetooth. To enable remote connection, you must be connected to the sensor via Bluetooth. You can refer to the video dedicated to activating the Linkfeel token. Your sensor is now connected and ready to be installed. Now let's move on to the on-site installation. For corner mounting with adhesive, start by marking your positioning guides, then carefully clean the surface using the provided wipes. Add the two-component adhesive provided in the kit, then position the mounting bracket on the wall at the desired angle following your markings. Next, remove the orange protective lens from the pods. Then attach the pod to the bracket using the same two-component adhesive. Be sure to apply enough pressure to ensure optimal adhesion. The adhesive takes effect immediately. Your Delta L Plus Mini is now installed, configured, and connected. Before leaving the site, remember to reset the data from the app. Have a great mission.